In a dusty, forgotten corner of an ancient marketplace, a mysterious golden lamp lay hidden. Its intricate designs seemed to whisper secrets to the wind. Suddenly, a curious hand grasped the lamp, and a warm glow enveloped the surroundings. A puff of shimmering smoke burst forth, and a majestic genie emerged. "Greetings, mortal," the genie declared in a resonant voice. "I shall grant wisdom, not mere wishes." The genie's presence commanded attention. "Teach me," the curious one asked. "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled," the genie began. "Though reason denies it, though your senses deny it, don't waver. Persist in that assumption. Reality is but a shadow of your deepest desires. Assume, persist, and your dreams will solidify." The genie waved his hand, and the surroundings transformed. "See, the shadows are reality's building blocks. Assume, and they'll take shape." The genie's eyes burned intensely. "Your assumption is the spark. Persistence fuels the fire. Walk this path," the genie instructed. "Assume the feeling, persist in conviction, and nurture patience. Remember, mortal, your assumptions shape reality." With a nod, the genie vanished into the lamp, leaving behind an eternal lesson. The curious one pondered the genie's wisdom, eager to test its power. A deep desire stirred within, to heal the ailing forest nearby. With conviction, the seeker assumed the feeling of the forest's vitality. Vibrant greenery and thriving wildlife filled their mind. Days passed, yet doubts crept in. The seeker's senses contradicted their assumption. The forest remained barren. A wise old tree spoke to the seeker. "Why persist in assumption when reality contradicts?" The seeker replied, "The genie's words echo within me. Assume, persist, and shadows become substance." The tree nodded. "Your faith is strong. Continue." The seeker walked among the barren trees, affirming life and vitality. Slowly, shoots emerged and petals unfolded. The forest transformed, reflecting the seeker's unwavering assumption. The genie re-emerged, smiling. "Your persistence ignited reality's spark." "The power of assumption is limitless," the genie said. "Yet remember balance. Harmony between assumption and reality's shadows is key." The genie vanished, leaving the seeker to ponder. The seeker's faith grew, and the forest flourished. New wonders emerged. One morning, a gentle breeze carried a message from the genie. "The time has come to share your gift." The seeker set out to spread harmony and vitality to distant lands. Deserts bloomed, oceans cleared, and mountains steadied. People from afar sought the seeker's wisdom. "Teach us," they begged. "Assume harmony," the seeker taught. "Feel life's pulse within. Persist, and shadows become substance." Hearts opened, minds awakened, and reality transformed. The genie reappeared, beaming. "Your journey ignites a chain reaction. Reality's fabric shifts. Together, let's explore realms beyond," the genie said. Hand in hand, they stepped into the unknown, leaving a trail of vibrant life.